Hi, once again with a new video. I'm Viraj and this is my YouTube channel Maths by Viraj. In case if you have not subscribed me yet, please click on the subscription button below and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Children, today I'm going to teach you all how to multiply by 10 and by powers of 10. Now, for example, let's see. I have the decimal number 0.235. If I need to multiply this by 10, what would be the answer? If the same number, if I want to multiply it by 1000, what would be the answer? First and foremost, you'll have to know a little bit of indices. So if you have not seen my video on the indices, you can go to the link over here and see the particular video as well. Now, the normal number 10, we know that this can be written as 10 to the power 1. This can be written as 10 to the power 1. Similarly, 1000. 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3. Why do we say so? Because when 10 is multiplied by itself for 3 times, you get the answer as 1000. Therefore, 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3. Having said that, now maths is really very easy, because mathematicians have come up with easy methods as how to multiply them or divide, add, subtract. Likewise, now for instance, you see that this is 10 to the power 1. So when you multiply 0.235 by 10 to the power 1, what do you think the answer is? The decimal place jumps once to the right. This is my right hand, this is my left hand. Therefore now, when 0.235 is multiplied by 10, that is 10 to the power 1, the decimal place point jumps to the right. Therefore the answer is 2.35. In this particular instance, you can rewrite the whole sum where 1000 is written as a power of 10, which is 10 to the power 3. In this particular instance, look what happens. Let me write this and put a couple of zeros at the end. Now, here it is being multiplied by 10 to the power 3. Here it is multiplied by 10 to the power 1. The decimal point jumped only once. In this case, the decimal number would jump how many times? 1, 2, 3. So the final answer is 235.00. Since these are zeros after the decimal number, we just leave it as 235. Now children, the most important part here is that when we identify what the power is, in this case 1, in this case 3. Now for children, for small children, grade 8, 9, 7, so these children find this very difficult to understand. So we say when it is written in the form of a 10, the decimal number jumps to the right. Here you have 10 to the power 1, so the decimal point jumps to the right only once. Here it is 10 to the power 3, therefore the decimal point jumps to the right 3 times. Therefore, always remember the decimal point jumps to the right according to the power of 10, right? So what is it again? The decimal point jumps to the right according to the power of 10. Now for instance, here we have 10,000. So 10,000 can be written as 10 to the power 4. 10 is multiplied by itself for 4 times, so that you get 10 to the power 4. Therefore, 14.96 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. Now, I feel that there's no enough numbers at the end. Let's see. Now, there you go. This is 10 to the power 4. Therefore, the decimal point should jump 4 times to the right. Apparently, there's no enough numbers. Therefore, I'm just going to introduce another 4 zeros for our ease of understanding. Now, when you multiply by 10 to the power 4, how did I get 10 to the power 4, children? 10,000 can be written in the form 10 to the power 4. Therefore, when a particular decimal is being multiplied by a power of 10, the decimal point shifts to the right. according to the power that is given. In this case, the decimal point is going to jump once, twice, thrice, and 4 times, giving us the answer as, look at that. First, we started off with 14.96, which was multiplied by 10,000. And now the decimal place, originally it was over here. Now it has jumped 1, 2, 3, 4, giving us the final answer as 149,600. So this is an easy method. For instance, let's say we'll take a whole number of 35. If 35 is to be multiplied by 100, let's say now 100 is what? 100 is 10 to the power 2, 10 times 10, right? Therefore, where is the decimal point? Yes, in 35, the decimal point lies over here. We can put a couple of zeros. Now, since it is multiplied by 100, which is 10 to the power 2, the decimal point is going to jump how many times? Yes, the decimal point is going to jump 2 times. And the answer that we are going to have is 3,500. I hope you understood today's lesson. So children, stay home, stay safe. See you in another video. In the intersection part, and the elements of the set P. What are the other elements that are on the set P? So we can write them here. 3, 5, 7.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha, yes.
Do we always have to draw the Venn diagrams, or can we do the calculations without drawing the Venn diagram, sir?
Very good. Very good question. Actually, if you all can do the calculations without drawing the Venn diagrams, much better. Hi, I'm Viraj. I'm online English video maths tutor කෙනෙක්. මගේ online classes වලට join වෙන ඕනම ළමයෙකුට experience කරන්න පුළුවන් school එකක ඉන්නවා වගේ අත්දැකීමක්. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? ඔයාලට මගේ ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න පුළුවන්. මම ඔයාලට මේ ප්‍රශ්න වලට උත්තර දෙන ගමන් මම උගන්වන්නේ. මොකද මම කරන්නේ කලින් රෙකෝඩ් කරපු videos නෙමෙයි real time live videos. Hi, I'm Viraj. I'm an English video maths tutor. So if you join my online English video maths classes, you can literally get the experience as if you are learning in a school. You all can ask questions, I can answer your questions, and we can communicate because I am doing live classes through Zoom. So stay home, stay safe.